Good morning children, welcome to GK class. Today we are going to do lesson number 35, pairs. This lesson will come in exam, so children do this, okay? Listen to me very carefully. What is the meaning of pairs? Pairs means things which are of same type, which are used together and which are of same type. एक जैसी चीज़ें और जो एक दूसरे के साथ यूज़ होती हैं और या एक दूसरे के साथ पहनी जाती हैं. थिंग्स विच आर यूज्ड टुगेदर एंड थिंग्स विच आर worn also together. Okay, so pairs means things which are together, which are used together. Okay, this is the picture of bread. Bread is used with butter. So bread and butter are matching. Now let's see the second picture, table. Table is used with chair. Cup. Cup is used with saucer. Come to this side. Arrow. Arrow is used with bow. Dhanush Baan. This is Dhanush, this is Baan. Arrow and bow. We say bow and arrow. Dhanush Baan. Bow and arrow. Arrow will be matched with bow. Socks. Socks is matched with shoes. Socks is worn with shoes only. Needle. Needle is used with thread. Needle is used with thread. Again, once again, bread, butter, table, chair, cup, saucer, socks, shoes, needle, thread, bow, arrow or arrow, bow. Now come to the second half of the page. Fill in the right words to make word pairs. These are the words given. We have to pair them with these. Okay. We have to select the word from this box. Okay. Fruit and vegetables. Fruit and vegetables. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Pen and paper, paper in which we write. Paper, paper in which we write. Okay. Pen and paper. Pen and paper. Salt and pepper. Namak or mircha. Salt, namak and pepper. Pepper. Now this and this are quite similar. So keep in mind the difference. Paper, paper. Paper means the paper on which we write. Pepper, pepper. Pepper means mircha. Okay. Salt and pepper. Pots and pans. Pots and pans in which we cook and keep the food. Pots and pans. Okay. Dash and dogs. Cats and dogs. Cats and dogs. Lions and tigers. Lions and tigers. Lions and tigers. Tigers are written. Lions you have to write from here. Dash and ladders. Snakes and ladders. Snakes and ladder, you would have played this game, Ludo. In Ludo there is one part, second part of the Ludo is snake and ladder. First part is Ludo, second is snake and ladder. Once again, fruits and vegetables. Ladies and gentlemen. Pen and paper. Salt and pepper. Pots and pans. Cats and dogs. Lions and tigers, snakes and ladders. You will see the spellings from the box, okay, and write here, okay, and match the pairs. Okay children, we will meet in the next GK classes with the revision work. Till then, bye bye.